Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over a step-by-step guide on how to remove hard inquiries from your credit report. But before we get into it, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell notification button so you'll be notified every single time that I post. So let's get into it. When you go disputing hard inquiries, you need to make sure that you are not disputing any hard inquiries that are attached to an open account, because if you do dispute any inquiries attached to an open account, you can risk that account being closed, and you do not want to take that risk. Let's get into the video.
Okay, so the first step is you want to pull a copy of your credit report. I do recommend that you have a credit monitoring service while you're going through your credit repair process. It's just so much easier to keep track of what's falling off your credit report and what is remaining. So I'll put in the description box a link where you can pull your credit report for a 7-day trial for $5. If you're not able to do that, you can get a copy at annualcreditreport.com for free. You can pull it weekly. I just recommend credit monitoring because it's easier to read. So this is a client that just signed up 2 weeks ago and we already have progress. I left the inquiries just to show you guys really quick. Okay, so he have 10 inquiries. So what you're going to do is highlight all of your inquiries. You're going to highlight them. You're going to copy them and then you're going to paste it on a notepad. So I'm going to just do these right now to show you guys the example, and then I'm going to go back and do all of them. But now that we highlighted them, copy and paste it on our notepad, we're going to go to ftc.gov. We're going to click on get started, and then you're going to click I want to report identity theft. You're going to click on credit cards, scroll down to continue, click on to open a fraudulent credit card account. Then you're going to click on continue. You're going to skip this part because no one haven't applied for any actual credit card. And then on this section, you're going to fill out your name. You're going to have to put in your phone number, and they're going to send you a code. They'll either text you the code or they'll call you with the code. You select which one you want. You put in your email. You're filing this for yourself. You're going to put in your date of birth, your address, and then how long have you lived here. You're going to put since the date you was born. So I'm going to go through this and put in the information really quick. No. Has the victim legal name or address changed since the theft occurred? No. And then the last one, you're going to put no as well. Then you're going to click on continue. Do you know anything about the person who stole your identity? You're going to click no. Have you reviewed a copy of your credit report? You're going to put yes. Were there any fraudulent accounts included in your report? You're going to put no and not at this time. You're going to skip over this part. And then here's where you're going to enter in the inquiries. Now, on this part, it's only going to allow you to put 3 inquiries on this page. So we're going to pull this up. You're going to put in GM Financial. And then the date was March 27, 2004. Add company, Alley Financial. And then This one was August 9th, 2023. Okay, see, it only let us put up to 3. So after we do those 3, we are going to go down. Have you requested a fraud alert from one of the 3 national bureaus? You're going to put no. Have you contacted your local police department? You're going to put no. Was your personal information exposed to a data breach? If it was, then you will put yes. But in this case, we're going to put I don't know. Has a debt collector contacted you about an account that isn't yours? You're going to put no. Then you're going to push continue. Then you're going to enter in your personal statement. Now, when you get to your personal statement, you're going to list all of the inquiries. So he had 10. So in this section, I will list all 10 of those. And then I will want to put this as well. I'm going to put recently checking my credit report. I noticed that I've been a victim of identity theft and found numerous credit inquiries I have no knowledge of. Here are the inquiries that I found. So you're going to put the company name, the date, and then the year. And then once you complete that, at the end, you're going to put, please remove these fraudulent inquiries from my credit report. So I'm going to walk you guys through that real quick. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. You're going to put, recently checking my credit report, I noticed that I've been a victim of identity theft and found numerous credit inquiries. And then you're going to list all of the inquiries you have. We're going to do Experian first. So list all of the inquiries that you have with Experian. It don't matter if you have 10 plus, you're going to list them all here. And then put, I have no knowledge of these inquiries that I found. Please remove these fraudulent inquiries from my credit report. Then you're going to push continue. You're going to scroll down. You're going to check that box and then you're going to finalize. Then you're going to save this to your phone, your computer. You're going to save it. And then you're going to go over to CFPB. You're going to click start a complaint. You're going to make an account. You're going to sign up with your first name, last name, your email, your phone number, and you're going to create a password. You're going to click on credit reporting again. Improper use of a credit report. Credit inquiries on your credit report that you don't recognize. Have you already tried to fix the problem with this company? You're going to put yes. Did you request information from this company? You're going to push yes. What did you request? Proof that I signed up for these companies at that time. Then you're going to put no for did the company provide this information. You're going to go to next. For your personal information section on here for what happened, the same thing that you put on your identity theft report, you're going to copy that information and paste it on here as well. So you're going to put all of the inquiries again. So GM Financial, After you list all of the inquiries that you have for either Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax, you're going to put I also attach my identity theft report as well. You're not going to click this box because you don't want them to publish that information. Okay, so what will be a fair resolution? Remove these fraudulent inquiries from my credit report. Then you're going to go down. Then you're going to select a file to upload. Right here, this is where you're going to upload your identity theft report that I told you to save to either your computer or your phone. You're going to download that here. Then you're going to push next. Then the company name, we're going to start with TransUnion. It don't matter the order though. If you want to start with Experian, you can start with Experian. You're going to click social, date of birth, name as it appears on your credit report. So you're going to enter in your social, your date of birth, name as it appears on your credit report. So that's not how the name appears. I just did that. Do you want to complain about another company? You're going to click no. Who are you submitting this for? You're submitting this for yourself. And then you're going to type in your address. You're going to leave all of this information blank. And then you're going to push review. And then you're going to submit.
Okay, so this pretty much sums up the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, I will put my email in the description box. If you want me to review your credit report and come up with a game plan for you, I am offering free consultations. So please take advantage of this opportunity because they are free up until the ending of the year. I will put the link in my description box as well to book those free consultations. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to comment. Reach out to me directly. I also will put in the description box where you can download the dispute kit for inquiries, where you can simply call the credit bureaus and read off a script to have these inquiries removed. Keep in mind, this does work best for Experian, but I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. I'll give you the step-by-step guide on what we went over today. I also have in the inquiry kit the inquiry letters that you can send to all three credit bureaus, and it is $5.99. Again, I'll put that in the description box. I hope this video helps you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.